Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Urooj Fatima and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Wild Classroom, your space to explore the world of aquatic science, fisheries, and sustainable aquaculture. So today's lecture is all about a crucial topic in the world of fisheries. Yes, major freshwater species cultured globally. So whether you are a student, researcher, fish farmer, or just curious, this lecture will help you understand which species are farmed worldwide and why they matter so much to our global food system. So let's dive in. First of all, we will discuss about the freshwater aquaculture. What is freshwater aquaculture? So freshwater aquaculture is the farming of aquatic organisms, as I mentioned in my previous lecture. So, farming of aquatic organisms in rivers, ponds, lakes, reservoirs, and tanks, it plays a vital role in ensuring food security, generating income, and promoting nutrition. So, especially in developing countries. So, globally, freshwater environment supports some of the most commercially important and nutritionally valuable species in aquaculture. So, let's now explore the top species that are being farmed in different parts of the world. So major freshwater species cultured globally, the first one is carp. Let's begin with the carps, the largest group of freshwater fish cultured worldwide. They are native to Asia and Europe, but now cultured globally due to their adaptability and economy value. So popular species include in carp is common carp, Sprinus carpio, silver carp, Hypophthalmithys moltrix, grass carp, then big head carp. And then Carcius. Okay, so these fish are popular in China, India, Bangladesh, and Eastern Europe, and they account for over 50% of the world's freshwater aquaculture production. So next is tilapia. Okay, as you know, tilapia, often called the aquatic chicken due to its fast growth and adaptability, is native to Africa but now farmed worldwide. The most cultured species is Nile tilapia. So other species include blue tilapia or the Mozambique tilapia. So tilapia is especially important in Asia, Latin America, and Africa, and is known for being easy to farm, resistant to disease, and economically viable even for small-scale farmers. Then next is catfish. Catfish farming is another major sector in global aquaculture, especially in Southeast Asia and United States. So important species are Pangasius and channel catfish. Pangasius grown mostly in Vietnam, and if we talk about channel catfish farmed primarily in the US. So they are hardy, fast-growing, and popular for fillet production. So Pangasius is one of the most traded fish in international market. Then next is trout. As you know about rainbow trout, Oncorhynchus mycis is the most widely farmed cold water species. So it's mostly cultivated in Europe, the US, Iran, and parts of South America. So trout require clean, cold, oxygen-rich water and are considered high-value fish, often consumed in premium market. Then freshwater prawn, let's not forget about crustaceans. The giant river prawn is the leading freshwater prawn species in aquaculture. It is native to South and Southeast Asia and is widely farmed in Bangladesh, India, Vietnam, and Latin America. So these prawns are in high demand due to their taste, size, and export value. Then eel farming, particularly of Japanese eel, Anguilla japonica, and the European eel is a luxury niche in aquaculture. So these are mostly farmed in Japan, China, Korea, though wild seed collection and overfishing have raised conservation concerns. If we talk about global production highlights, so who's leading the way in freshwater aquaculture? As you know, China is by far the largest producer in the world. So other key players include India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Egypt. So these countries rely heavily on freshwater aquaculture for employment, exports, and domestic food consumptions. Sustainability and challenges with, as you know, with growing production comes responsibility. So The key challenges in freshwater aquaculture include disease outbreak, water pollution, eutrophication, feed cost, fish meal dependency, genetic diversity loss, and most importantly, climate change impacts. To ensure a sustainable future, there is a growing emphasis on eco-friendly practices, recirculating aquaculture system, and the use of plant-based feeds. Then a few other species are also gaining traction in specific regions like African catfish, especially in Africa and Southeast Asia, and the snakehead fish, popular in Southeast Asia, mandarin fish, cultured in China. So these emerging species offer exciting potential for diversifying aquaculture system. So students, freshwater aquaculture is a cornerstone of global fish production, and these species play a vital role in feeding the world. So they support millions of livelihood, provide affordable proteins, and drive sustainable economic growth when managed responsibly. Now you now have a clearer picture of which species dominate freshwater aquaculture globally and why they matter. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your classmates or colleagues, and subscribe to my channel for more content on fisheries science, aquaculture, and environmental sustainability. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.